Meaning of in vivo.
In vivo.
In vivo.
In vivo.
In vivo. The term in vivo refers to experiments or studies that are conducted within a living organism or a natural environment. It is Latin for within the living. This is in contrast to in vitro, which means outside the living and refers to experiments that are conducted in a test tube or other artificial environment. In the context of biomedical research, in vivo studies are important for understanding how drugs, treatments, and diseases behave within a whole organism and may provide more accurate information about how these factors affect human health.